Binance Exchange www.binance.com White Paper v1.1 Intro. In our view, there are fundamentally two different types of exchanges, the ones that deal with fiat currency, and the ones that deal purely in crypto. It is the latter one that we will focus on. Even though they are small now, we strongly believe that pure crypto exchanges will be bigger, many times bigger, than fiat-based exchanges in the near future. They will play an ever more important role in world finance, and we call this new paradigm Binance, binary finance. With your help, Binance will build a world-class crypto exchange, powering the future of crypto finance. Problems some of the current crypto exchanges suffer from. Binance's team have been in both the finance and crypto industry for many years. The team has worked on and operated a number of exchanges, and have accumulated a large network of partners in this space. These partners will be key in bootstrapping the exchange. Poor customer service traders are a different breed when it comes to users. Understanding the trader mentality is vital for running a successful exchange. Money is literally on the line. Many exchanges service traders as if they were running a social media site. A 3-second delay in seeing your friend's status update would hardly be noticed, but on an exchange, the same would be unacceptable, resulting in a torrent of user complaints. In addition to the technology stack, Binance is built with service in mind. Binance shares support responsibilities across the entire staff and company. When a trader has a problem, they get an answer directly from someone who knows the system and not someone reading from a script. Poor internationalization and language support. Blockchains have no borders. Most exchanges focus only on one language or one country. Our international multilingual team has extensive working experience in North America, Europe and Asia, and we are able to smoothly support the global market. Binance Exchange Matching Engine. Our matching engine is capable of sustaining 1,400,000 orders second, making Binance one of the fastest exchanges in the market today. You can be certain, on our exchange, that your orders will never be stuck due to the matching engine being overwhelmed. Feature rollout. We will roll out the platform in roughly the following order: spot trading, margin trading, futures, anonymous, instant exchange, decentralized, on-chain, exchange and more. Coins. Binance will support trading pairs in the following coins: BTC, FLTC, NEO, ANS, BNB, Binance Coin. More coins will be added over time. We generally will only add coins that have strong credibility, user base, and liquidity. If you have a coin that you wish to be listed on Binance later, participating in our ICO will help. We have no plans to support any fiat currencies such as USD, RMB, JPY, or KRX. Device coverage. We will provide cross-platform trading clients for web-based trading client, Android native client, iOS native client, pending App Store review, mobile HTML5 client, including WeChat H5 client, PC, Windows, native client, REST API, multilingual support. We will support English, Chinese, Japanese and Korean on all of our user interfaces. The very initial release will be in English and Chinese only. More languages will be added over time. UI preview, professional web trading interface, mobile HTML5 market data, iOS trading page, Windows PC native client, multi-interval view. Revenue model. Binance's revenue will come from the following sources. Source description: exchange fee. Binance initially will charge a 0.2% fixed fee per trade. Other variations will be subsequently introduced, including maker-taker, volume-based tiering and zero-fee promotions. We have no plan to charge above 0.2%. Withdrawal fee. Binance may charge a small fee for withdrawals. Listing fee. Binance will select innovative coins and other assets to be listed on the exchange. There may be a fee associated with those listings. Margin fee. If you trade on margin, there may be a fee or interest on the borrowed amount. Other fees. There may be other fees the platform may collect for various services such as automated algorithmic order, etc. Binance Coin, BNB. We will issue our token coin, called the Binance Coin. A strict limit of 200 mm BNB will be created, never to be increased. BNB will run natively on the Ethereum blockchain with ERC20. Allocation percent amount, BNB. Participant 50%, 100 million ICO, 40%, 80 million. Founding team 10%, 20 million. Angel investors. ICO. The ICO will be done in BTC and ETH, on multiple platforms around the world. ICO schedule. All times below are China Standard Time, CST, UTC plus 8 hours. Date task June 14, 2017. Confirmed start of the Binance project June 16, 2017. Initial draft white paper completed. Circulated to potential angel investors June 22, 2017. Announced Binance ICO plan. and release white paper to general public July 1, 2017. ICO starts. Platforms will be announced soon. July 15, 2017. Binance.com release v0.1 Go Live. Active trading begins July 21, 2017. ICO finishes, or whenever the coins are sold out. ICO will start from 3 p.m. July 1. Investors can purchase BNB tokens in 3 phases on a first-come, first-served basis until 100 million tokens are sold. As each new phase starts, the price will increase. Investors will receive BNB tokens within 5 working days after the ICO finishes. The detailed schedule is as below. ICO phase: first week, second week, third week CST GMT +8 1500 hours July 1st 1500 hours July 7th 1500 hours July 7th 1500 hours July 14th 1500 hours July 14th 1500 July 21st 1th 2700 BNB 2500 BNB 2300 BNB 1 BTC based on market price BNB value and repurchasing plan. You can use BNB to pay for any fees on our platform, including but not limited to exchange fees, withdrawal fees, listing fees, any other fee. When you use BNB to pay for fees, you will receive a significant discount. First year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. Discount rate 50%, 25%, 12.5%, 6.75%. No discount repurchasing plan. Every quarter, we will use 20% of our profits to buy back BNB and destroy them, until we buy 50% of all the BNB, 100 back. All buyback transactions will be announced on the blockchain. We eventually will destroy 100 mm BNB, leaving 100 mm BNB remaining. Decentralized exchange. In the future, Binance will build a decentralized exchange, where BNB will be used as one of the key base assets as well as gas to be spent. BNB vesting plan for the team: initial release, 20%, 16 after 1 year, 20%, 16 after 2 year, 20%, 16 after 3 year, 20%, 16 after 4 year, 20%, 16 Fund usage: 35% of the funds will be used to build the Binance platform and perform upgrades to the system, which includes team recruiting, training, and the development budget. 50% will be used for Binance branding and marketing, including continuous promotion and education of Binance and blockchain innovations in industry mediums. A sufficient budget for various advertisement activities, to help Binance become popular among investors, and to attract active users to the platform. 15% will be kept in reserve to cope with any emergency or unexpected situation that might come up. Team: we have a solid team led by Changpeng Zhao, with both traditional Wall Street finance and cryptocurrency experience. We have a track record of successful startups under our belt. Changpeng Zhao, CEO, also known as CZ in the crypto community. LinkedIn profile: CZ is the founder and CEO of BijiTech, a company that provides cloud-based exchange systems to exchange operators. Since founding in September 2015, BijiTech now powers 30+ exchanges in Asia. In the first 12 months since founding, BijiTech closed 36.1 million RMB, $5.30 USD, in revenue, and will double that in its second year. BijiTech has never accepted any outside investments, being cash flow positive from day one. As soon as the Binance ICO finishes, CZ will remain a shareholder of BijiTech, but will relinquish all of his management duties to a new CEO. CZ will focus exclusively on Binance. This applies to all BijiTech members listed in this white paper. Prior to BijiTech, CZ was the co-founder and CTO of OKCoin. During his stay there, OKCoin launched their international site and their futures trading platform, coordinating with Stefan Thomas. CZ also led the first proof of reserves in any China crypto exchange. Most other major exchanges in China followed soon after. In addition to managing the tech team there, he also led the international marketing team. He is still mentor to and good friends with Zane Tackett. Before OKCoin, CZ was the head of technology and the third person to join the blockchain.info team. He worked closely with Ben Reeves, Roger Ver, Anthony Antonopoulos and Nicholas Carey to grow the blockchain.info service. Before blockchain.info, CZ co-founded Fusion Systems Limited in 2005, a company that specializes in ultra-low latency trading systems for brokers. Fusion Systems was started in Shanghai, and currently has offices in Tokyo, Hong Kong, and Los Angeles. Among other tasks, CZ was responsible closing and deploying trading systems at Credit Suisse, Goldman Sachs, Deutsche Bank, and more. CZ left Fusion System to work full-time in the blockchain industry in 2013. Before Fusion Systems, CZ was the head of development at Bloomberg Tradebook Futures for 4 years. In New York, there CZ managed a team that was responsible for the entire futures trading platform in Bloomberg, with annual revenues exceeding $300 million USD. Prior to Bloomberg, CZ's college internship and first job out of college was in Tokyo, working for a tech outsource company that was involved in developing trading systems for the Tokyo Stock Exchange. This is where his exchange experience began. CZ was born in China and went to high school and college in Canada. CZ is fully bilingual in English and Chinese, and can speak basic Japanese. Roger Wong, CTO. LinkedIn profile. Roger is a co-founder and the CTO. He has been working in the financial industry for 10+ years, responsible for building up technical teams, designing the high-level architecture of the exchange and clearing systems, and running ops teams to ensure the security and stability of exchange systems. Prior to Digitech, Roger worked at Nomura Securities, the largest investment bank in Japan. He was responsible for a global credit booking, analytics, and marking system, which supported thousands of global traders and analysts. He has also successfully implemented a smart bond matching engine, which consumes firm-wide trading order position data, client inquiry info, third-party data as well as public bond data, to discover business opportunities for the firm using sophisticated custom-built algorithms. It now generates over $100 million USD revenue annually for Nomura. Before Nomura, he was a tech leader in Morgan Stanley, where he designed and built a financial TB-level data warehouse, which supported a large number of users to do real-time data analysis and financial modeling. He was also a core developer for low-latency algorithmic trading systems, which served the firm's largest clients like Blackstone and Wellington Fund, that delivered significant commission income for Morgan Stanley. Roger is fully trilingual in English, Chinese and Japanese. James Hofbauer, Chief Architect. LinkedIn profile. James is a co-founder and the Chief Architect of Digitech. He architects and implements the core matching engine and its middleware. He also oversees client exchanges' public endpoints to ensure security and high performance. Before Digitech, James worked at Palantir, a Silicon Valley company that focuses on big data analysis. Palantir's large-scale high-performance systems are used for cybersecurity, anti-money laundering, fraud detection, counterterrorism, and many other data relationship analysis purposes by both private and government entities. Before Palantir, James worked at Fusion Systems. A notable project James worked on was a global investment bank's systems architecture redesign, focusing on reducing the number of systems, encrypting and securely handling sensitive data, and introduced a new user security system which provides authentication, authorization, and action audit logging. James was raised and educated in America, earning a Bachelor's of Science, cum laude, in computer science. He is bilingual, native in English and fluent in Japanese, JLPTN2 certified, and has lived in Japan for over 10 years. James has known CZ for 7 years and they have worked in 2 startups together. Paul Jankunas, VP of Engineering. LinkedIn profile. Paul is the VP of Engineering at Digitech, responsible for the C++ implementation of the core machine engine. He has over 15 years of experience in developing exchange systems and financial trading applications. He is constantly looking for new ways to improve the performance and scalability of the system. Prior to Digitech, Paul worked at SBI Bits, part of SBI Group, in Tokyo. SBI Group is a listed financial services company with interests in a wide assortment of businesses. Paul was responsible for both client and server-side development for trading applications. Before that, Paul worked at Fusion Systems in Tokyo as the head of development on Raptor, a market gateway with latencies under 2 microseconds, and before that for Bloomberg in New York. Paul has known CZ for 9 years and they have worked together in 3 companies. Alan Yan, Product Director. LinkedIn profile. Alan is a co-founder and the Product Director of Digitech. Alan has over 10 years of experience in product design, user experience and trading. He drives the innovations in the exchange systems built by Digitech, and pushes the product far ahead of the competition in this ultra-competitive space. Before Digitech, Alan worked in Orient International Holding, which is one of the biggest import and export firms in Shanghai. He was responsible for the implementation of several informationization products, including ERP and eFax. Meanwhile, he led a variety of game and VOD content platforms. Sunny Lee, Operations Director LinkedIn profile. Sunny is a co-founder and the Operations Director of Digitech. He has many years of management and technology consulting experience, has led 20-plus exchange systems projects, and provided comprehensive consulting for strategy, operations, risk control and system development. Prior to Digitech, Sunny worked at Accenture as the senior consultant. He provided many top 500 companies for strategic and IT consulting, and led a number of fiat, big data, information integration systems projects. Investors and advisors in no particular order: Matthew Roshik, Block co-founder, Tally Capital founding partner, Roger Ver, angel investors in many blockchain businesses, CEO of Bitcoin.com, Ron Cao, MD of Sky9 Capital, institutional investor in BTC China, Chandler Guo, angel investor in blockchain businesses in China. He CMO of Yixia Technology, previously co-founder at OKCoin, Yang Ling, co-founder of BTC China, ICOcoin founder, Zhao Dong, one of the largest crypto OTC brokers in China, Zhehong Ant Shares founder, on-chain CEO, Jun Du, co-founder of Huobi, angel investor, Vincent Zhou, founder of FinTech Blockchain Group, active angel blockchain investor, Lu Bin, CEO of Andui.com, a blockchain financial service company in China, Liu Sutong, finance channel TV anchor, CEO of Hank Pool, Eric Zhang, Ant Shares core member, led match engine developer at Huobi.com, Lia Zhang, CMO of F2 Pool, previously investment manager of Angel Crunch, Wang Qijin, co-founder of Andu, formerly marketing at Blockchain.info, Roy Zhu, CEO of Bitkio, secretarial at Ethereum Classic Consortium, ECC, Jackie Wang, founding team member of Bitbank.com and BW.com and CHBTC, Lida, co-founder of Julian Tech, Zia Ningnan, founder of BitOcean, Jeff Kui, founder and CEO of TKingCN, tech led at Morgan Stanley, Gichen Shuang, co-founder of 91 Wireless, acquired by Baidu at $1.9 billion USD, Xin Chen, previous product director of OKCoin, analyst at Guo Tianjunan Securities, William Liu, senior partner at Albright Law Offices, the biggest law firm in Shanghai. Some investors choose to remain private. Risks: there are many risks involved in running an exchange. We understand this and have the skills, experience, and leadership to overcome them. Security is paramount. Many crypto exchanges have failed due to poor security procedures. Most security breaches could have been prevented by taking simple precautions to protect critical resources. Our team has developed Binance with security as the foremost concern in their minds. We strive to ensure that we have followed all the industry best practices when it comes to securing infrastructure and data, including ISO IEC 27001, 2013 and the Cryptocurrency Security Standard, CCSS, 23 market competition. We know this will be an ultra-competitive space. There are probably hundreds, if not thousands of teams wanting, planning or doing exchanges. Competition will be fierce, but in this age, this is a common risk in any decent concept startup or mature company. The question is, given our team, track record, experience, industry resources, and product, do you believe we stand a better chance than the rest of the pack? If yes, then please join our ICO.